Hi, I'm Ben, and you can literally build real products right now with AI from apps, websites, digital products, content systems, even if you're not a techie person. So, most people have actually no idea what is possible. They think AI is just for writing emails or answering questions. But I have built all of these seven myself over the last 6 months, and some are making me money right now. So, 6 months ago, I had no idea how to do any of this. So in this video, I'm going to show you seven things you can actually build with AI right now today. No coding skills, no design skills, no technical skills, nothing. And any of these could be your first digital product or your next side hustle. And by the end of this, you would have seen seven real things that I've built with AI. And like I said, any one of these could be your first digital product. Firstly, like I said, most people think that AI is just for writing emails or answering questions. It's not. It's for so much more than that. You can literally build real products with it. No coding, no design skills. You don't even have to be a techie person. I've built all of these seven things myself. Some of them are making me money right now. And just a few months ago, I had no idea about any of this. So let me show you what is possible. So we first of all have AI generated images. So these are product photos, social media graphics, brand stuff, mock-ups. Businesses pay 100 for images just like these. And it's literally just one prompt and a few minutes. So who needs this? Small businesses, creators, anyone selling something online. They don't have time or a budget for a designer. So you can offer this as a service or sell packages of images as a digital product. Here we go. So a prompt example for this is just a short, well, I say short, it's 4 paragraphs, but then you get an image exactly like this. Or for the coffee cup here, just 3 short paragraphs, and you get an image just like this. It's quick, it's easy, and people would go ahead and pay for it. So next up, we have AI avatars. This is a digital version of you that creates content. So it's not me, but it is me. So AI does all the lifting. It talks, it presents, it posts whilst I'm at the gym or doing something completely else. People use these to scale their content without being on camera every single day. And brands are paying for custom avatars for their own marketing. So you can sell an AI avatar creation as a service or for UGC. I've built an AI influencer just using this strategy. And this is her here. This is what excites me. The possibilities are literally endless when it comes to this type of stuff. And then third, we have digital products. So these are templates, guides, prompt packs, checklists, literally planners. AI helps you create these within hours and not weeks. You can make it once and you can go ahead and then sell it forever. There's no stock, no shipping, no tariffs. My 27 digital course was built with AI tools for AI tools. You don't need to be an expert for this. You just need to know slightly more than the person who's buying it. Think about what you already know that someone else would pay to learn, and then you can go and package that up as your digital product, list it online, and just sell it on autopilot. For number four, we have the simple apps and tools. This is where it gets really interesting. AI literally can write code for you. Just describe what you want, and AI would go ahead and build it. So I've built apps for people that they pay monthly for, and I still don't call myself a programmer. The key is just solving a small, specific problem for a specific group of people. It doesn't need to be the next Instagram, it just needs to be useful. This is a recurring revenue, so people pay monthly just to keep using it. And this is one of the apps I've developed. It's a sales CRM on WAP that people can go in, they can track their calls, they can take bookings through there as well. And this is what I mean when I say you can literally build anything. Like this took me probably a month to get it on the App Store from idea to finish. But that is so quick in the eyes of like development. Then number five, we have landing pages and websites. So full websites you can create in minutes, not some dodgy template. These are proper, clean, and professional. AI handles the design, it handles the copy, it handles the layout, it literally handles all of it. Every business needs a website, and most people don't know how to make one. So you can charge businesses for this as a service, or you can build a landing page for your own product. And the demand for this is massive. And then we have number six with this, which is content systems. So you can plan, write, you can schedule your weekly content all in one sitting, create scripts, captions, ideas, and outlines, all using AI. And this used to take me a full week, but now it just takes me an afternoon. And this is what I use for my own YouTube, Twitter, all of my social medias. AI doesn't replace your voice, it just speeds up everything about it. You give it the idea, you give it your style, you give it your angle, and it does all the heavy lifting for you. Creators and businesses will pay you to set up a system just like this. So once you have got your system that works and you've used it yourself, you can go ahead and sell it as a template or a service. Other business owners can come in and use it for themselves. And then number 7, we have automated workflows. This is client onboarding, like responding to emails, organizing data. You set it up once and then it just runs in the background. And this is where AI goes from that's cool to this is actually changing my life. Businesses waste hours every single week on repetitive tasks. And if you can automate even just one of those tasks, they'll pay you for it. You don't need to build anything complicated. Just even a simple automation saves people serious times. And once this is done, this is one of the highest value skills that you can learn right now. You learn it, you use it for yourself, and then you go ahead and sell it as a service. So, all of these 7 things you can build with AI right now, any one of them could be your first digital product. Any one of them could be the first service that you sell online. None of them require a computer science degree. They just require you knowing how to prompt AI properly. Simple to you, and it's legendary to someone else. You don't need to master all of these 7. Just pick one, get good at it, and start building your business or your digital product. So my £27 course literally covers how to generate images, avatars, and create your first product, from setting up your tools to having a product ready to sell. It's a full system I wish I had when I first started. So if you follow the link in the description, then you too can get building something like one of these